Hello everyone. So today I'll be talking about how to give formulas, these parameters and formula relations in Catia v5. So this is the closed body. I have just made it, and we will proceed with how I made these parameters over here and how I'm going to control my offset surface based on these parameters. When do we use these parameters is like, I'll just show you the closed surface I have made and hide this. So what happens most of the time, this is just a small part. When you have very big part with different offset values, like different areas having different part thickness, so accordingly, mostly in plastic, we have to offset particular surface with different values, and we need to control this when there are a lot of surfaces given, and we want to control all these surfaces in one single input. So for that reason, we usually have this parameters thing, this formula thing we use, so that when you change one particular value over here, everything changes. So I'll just delete this thing and I'll just show you from the beginning, like how do this come in the tree. So let's delete this first. I'll give you a section view of here. You see over here, this part, this is having a thickness of 2.5 and this is having the thickness of 2.7, and at the same time I have also given some angle to it, and we will also control this angular surface based on these parameters. So this is the surface, this is, I'll show you the value, it is 2.7, and this is other surface. You can see if I close it, hide it, so this is the surface of 2.5. so based on, we will try to control these with the parameters. So you can see in this toolbar, I'll bring it up for you people. On the no list toolbar, you see this fx formula. From here we can see we'll add one. What do we need? Okay, so we will add one new parameter of type, but before diving into that, we want to know what do we want. We want length, just like distance. If you want to control the angle, so we are going to initially we'll do with the length, so make it length, and then we'll make a new parameter of type. So this is the length. You can rename this. We can give it offset surface 1. Apply. You gotta check that if it is in mm or not. Let's apply. You see that we can make it 2.5. Similarly, we will make to control the other offset surfaces. Again, we have to keep this length as it is. We'll again new parameter, we have to rename it to offset surface 02. Again, okay, and again I'll show you later on about the angle. We will add one more. Let's add quickly the angle, but before making new parameter of type, we have to change this to angle. See, now new parameter, so this is coming in degree, it's correct over here. So the other surface offset value is 2.7. And this angle is, just say, 5 degree at keeping. So based on this is the offset value 2.5. so what we'll do, we will just edit formula and we will click this 2.5 and press OK. You see, you don't have to change you can't change it now. This is the formula has been applied, this fx you see over here. So what you need to do is just go and click, make it 3, and you see, let's uncheck this, and you can see if we change this, update it, this also becomes let's again bring it back to 2.5, and this is the other surface we want to control. I'm just showing you with one surface. Similarly, if you have many offset surface, you can connect or apply the formula with the same offset value as 2.5. You can apply all those offset with this formula, and when you're going to change this 2.5, similarly all the offset surface in relation with this, it will change. So you don't have to keep updating every single surface. So again, we'll apply the formula, edit formula. We want it to be 2.7, and let's see, it is there. So you can change it here and make it 3. This will change to 3, but we want 2.7, so just keep it 2.7. So this is how it goes. So I'll show you what I did, just to add about angle control again. So what I did, you see this intersection over here, so I have given this a little bit of draft control. You see the angle, it is 5 degree upward. If you want to make it more, you can make it here, from here, but we don't want to go in this. If the tree is too big, you don't want to go and search inside the tree where the sweep is, and it is not easy for a particular individual to go and find it everywhere. So here only I will just apply for this length, I'll apply this edit formula, this angle 5 degree. So I don't have to go to the tree then, I just straight away need to make it change from here, and it will change. So this is how you do this thing. This is how you control every single surfaces based on your need, like without diving into the tree. So again, I'll hide all these, and again I'll show you one more thing. If you want to remove this formula, you can just go there, you can straight away go and delete this formula, and you're out of it. Just simple. So we'll hide it, and I'll show you how it works. I'll show you like how it is shown in section. So this is 2.5, this is this is 2.5, because of the angle the value is less than 2.7. So let's see how this works. Let's make it 3. See, it's updated. Similarly, we'll update these, and you see this becomes 3. thickness. If you change it to 2 and again update this, and you see the thickness has become 2. So this is how you can control different thickness. If I change the angle, if I bring it back, you will see that the thickness, this 2.08, will change again. Let's update the measure. You see it has become 2.2. So this is how you don't have to jump into the tree, and you can control using the formulas. I was getting a lot of question about when I'm going to post about formulas and parameters, how to use in Catia for any particular part design. So this is basically how it is done, and this is how they control the huge big part. If you are working on some big plastic parts, then a lot of surfaces, a lot of patches are there with different variable thickness are there. So this is how to do control all different part thickness using these parameters. So I hope this will help you people a lot about, and just keep posted if you want to know some more. I'll be coming up with more videos on Catia, and I will be starting very soon videos on Unigraphics as well. So if you have any doubts, do comment, and I will post my videos very soon. And do like and subscribe to my channel for getting more video updates for design. Thank you all.